Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to compare the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Xiaomi 11i versus the Realme X8 Max device. And this is my first time doing this kind of speed test and the RAM management test comparison, which is a MIUI 12.5 versus Realme UI 3.0. Yes friends, right now the Realme X8 Max which I'm using in this video, which is running the Realme UI 3.0. As you can clearly see friends, 3.0 and Android 12 update as well. And during this time of speed test, I'll try to use the 6 applications and 4 games. Only 4 games I'll try to include, and this entire test I'll try to do only using the 4G data, not with the Wi-Fi connection. Yes friends, absolutely. So previously I did use only Wi-Fi connection in the couple of all this. I think most of the speed test videos I did include only Wi-Fi. But recently, few of the users, they want me to use only 4G data connection. That's the reason I'm trying to use the same SIM card, same Jio SIM card, and both phones are supported with the carrier aggregation. So you can see both phones are getting 2CA, 2CA. That's fantastic. So no issues with the 4G signal as well in the indoor condition. And let's start with the basic reboot test between these both phones. Let's do the reboot of this device, 1, 2, and 3. And both phones I am trying to use are 8GB and 128GB variants. And I did enable the extended RAM capabilities up to 5GB and 3GB I did enable in this Xiaomi 11i device. And out of the box we do get the 3GB already turned on expandable RAM capacity in this device expansion. And this is a hypercharge. So definitely hypercharge and normal phone, there should not be much difference friends regarding the speed test because everything is same except charging speed and battery. So both should be kind of completely equal test videos. But let's see which is really optimized for the RAM management. And first phone to boot up is the Realme X8 Max device, and then the Xiaomi 11i device did boot up. And both phones should be having same kind of 4G data connection, so I don't require any kind of Wi-Fi connection anyway. So all the apps are completely clear. So all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. And let's focus on the RAM availability between these two devices. RAM availability in the Xiaomi 11i is about 5.1 GB, which you can clearly see 5.1 GB, and Realme X8 Max is about 4.23 GB. So slightly higher RAM availability is there in the Xiaomi 11i device at this moment. You can definitely see the comparison. And same SIM cards, again I'm trying to show you friends before starting the test, and both phones are getting 4G plus aggregation as well. That's pretty close. And let's start the test. And one more quick note, I forgot to mention that recently I started to include this kind of UPI ID and even the phone number as well, in case if you're interested in my videos and if you want to support me, then definitely you can do some kind of donations to my number via PhonePe or Paytm or maybe UPI ID as well. And recently today I did receive a lot of donations from my subscribers as well. These are the list of subscribers did send me the donations, and thank you for all your support till now. The main reason is because I was unable to get any other review units from any company friends because of my extreme testing and in-depth videos. So that's the reason a lot of companies, they are hesitated to give me any kind of review units, because I'll definitely point out all the drawbacks as well along with the advantages. That's the main reason why I don't get any review units. So I need to buy most of the smartphones. That's the reason. So I was unable to buy most of the devices. That's the reason I'm buying only selective phones based on the comments and feedback. So in case if you want me to support definitely that really great. If you can donate any kind of amount, that will be really great. And let me to open some random phone, maybe Samsung Galaxy M52. Let's keep this in the background RAM management only, and it's a Flipkart application. And let's go to the mobiles. I'm really interested to do a lot of reviews friends definitely, but unfortunately because not having that much funds, that's the reason I was unable to buy most of the smartphones. And even the companies, they don't send like this if I try to do this kind of in-depth testing videos. And you may think that why not selling old devices and buy new phones? Even I cannot do like that. The main reason is because I need to have those phones whenever we get the software updates, I need to do the videos, right? So I need to test it whether the software updates are really working out or not in the phones. That's the reason even I cannot sell even my old phones, few phones, but maximum I'll try to sell, but I cannot, because for example in the Realme X8 Max, if I try to sell this device long back, then I would not got to know all the problems in the Realme UI 3.0, and I won't be able to help other users as well. So that's the reason I was unable to sell even old phones. So let's see what the speed test here, and let's is a Play Store. Till now both phones are not bad, reacting pretty close. And right now the games, and these games I did not include in the Game Turbo or Game Space. Nothing is included, and there is no high performance mode, there is no GT mode, nothing is enabled at this moment. And first phone to open Variant's mobile game is Xiaomi 11i, Dimensity 920 processor and Dimensity 1200 chipset. And try to look at the loading speeds, how quick the phone was able to load, pretty fast than the Realme X8 Max device. As you can see friends, that's very fast. So using with the 4G plus connection, 10 to 15 seconds difference is there. That's a huge difference. So usually 2 to 3 seconds I would not mind, but 10 to 15 seconds, that's a huge difference friends. Not bad. And it's a steak balls. So if I get a review units, I won't be able to make this much of honest review videos friends. So definitely not, it won't be possible based on the review units. So unless company, if they say is like you can say whatever you want, whatever you feel, then that will be really great. But unfortunately nowadays we cannot find those kind of companies. But right now, as you can see, all the 6 applications and 4 games are completely open between the both phones. We got in the RAM management. You can see both phones. Now let's find out what is the RAM availability between these two UIs. One is from the MIUI. 3.2 GB is available exactly in the Xiaomi 11i, and in the Realme UI 3.0 in this Realme X8 Max 2.19 GB. As you can see friends, 2.19 GB is available. Now let's start from the first application, which is a Chrome. Let's see which phone actually can load Chrome fast. This is a moment which I'm trying to wait. Let's see whether this phone can actually do it or not. 1, 2 and 3. Boom. So both phones exactly did not even reload the Chrome page. That's fantastic friends. Realme UI 3.7. Let's see these lines will be there in the background or not. RAM management 1, 2 and 3. Boom. Yes, both phones were there exact. No issues. And here we go. Next is the Amazon application. Yes, Amazon application also is there. Flipkart also is there. Yep. Speedtest. Yes, no issues. And next is a Play Store. Variant's mobile game. Not bad. So most of the games and applications were completely there in the background RAM management, as you can definitely see here. So this is a quick RAM management and the speed test comparison between these both phones. Overall in the speed test, I did feel the Xiaomi 11i is slightly faster. The main reason is because this phone is running the Realme UI 3.0. The UI which made a little bit enough slower in the Realme X8 Max device. Before it used to be really fast, but after the Realme UI 3.0, the phone became very slow in terms of the opening speeds. That's what I did observe in this device. But RAM management, sometimes it was able to perform really good, sometimes it may not be able to perform. So the main reason why it performed today really good, because sometimes if you try to do the restart of the phone, it will try to perform really great if you do the reboot of the device. Right now, as you can see friends, all the apps are opening pretty faster without much kind of problem, as you can see. And let's do the same thing in the Xiaomi 11i device. As you can see, switching between all applications, very smooth, no issues. So this is friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and it's good to know that both phones were able to keep really good RAM management in the background between these two phones. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.